Hey, it's Reed. I want to show you your future sixth-man ride. I mean, who wouldn't want to be called for traveling in these? Hey, let's go shoot some hoops. And, oh, would you look at this? If you can guess the number of balls, you can win a year's worth of maintenance on us. Hey, so all you gotta do is like this post, tag 2 friends, and share, and you can win a year's worth of maintenance on us. Now that sounds like a slam dunk. Larry H. Miller Dodge Ram Peoria, Arizona's #1 volume Dodge store, just off the 101 on Bell Road. Alley-oop.
Yeah.